Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetaMask and set custom RPC for Optimism. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, you'll first need to download MetaMask. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official MetaMask website at metamask.io. Click on the download button on the home page. Select the version suitable for your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or another option. Follow the prompts to add the MetaMask extension to your browser. Once installed, you'll notice the MetaMask icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. If you're new to MetaMask, select Get Started. You'll have the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you're creating a new wallet, follow the on-screen instructions to set up a secure password. Make sure to write down your seed phrase and store it in a safe place. Once your wallet is created, click All Done to access the main interface. Next, click on the account icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Networks section. Click on Add Network to configure a custom RPC. You will need to fill in details for the Optimism network. For the network name, enter Optimism. For the new RPC URL, input https://mainnet. Finally, enter the block explorer URL as https://optimistic.etherscan.io. After, switch to the Optimism network by selecting it from the Networks dropdown. You are now ready to use MetaMask with Optimism. Explore the features and start interacting with decentralized applications on the Optimism network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.